Hi friends, good morning to all of you. Welcome to City Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss class 8 lesson 5 app development part 2. Uses of common apps. There are many kinds of apps are available on internet and they have many uses. So we can say that there is an app for every purpose. Means uh, in a through your mobile you can access different types of app now present times. So here some categories of apps like first educational app, second social networking app, third internet entertainment app, fourth banking and finance app, fifth e-commerce app. There are so many apps, but here categories of some. So discuss one by one. Educational apps. Learning from apps is now become fun due to rapid increase in mobile technology. Means now present time learning from apps now become a fun due to rapid increase in mobile technology, because through uh, educational app you can easy way to understand, and through enjoyment you can easy way to learn. Today, educational resources is easily accessible to students of far-flung village. Means those students related to village, easy way to access information related to the education through uh, educational app. Features. First, it is available for all levels of learning for all age group. Means through the app you can see all types of levels learning for all type of age available on internet या your apps. Second point, it help us to learn new concept with all thought contents. Means through the app you can easy way to learn new concepts without any problem. Third point, it is equally helpful for both student and teacher. Means educational app not only work for student, means both student and teacher both use and equally help both student and teacher, and easy way to understand. Teachers can also can be follow an education app. First, distribute study material. Students conduct tests, take attendance, evaluate the test with grades, closely communicate or interact with parents, monitor students' academic progress. It's like your Edu app. Edu app is also called educational app, where you can find video, your attendance, and the teachers watch your attendance, how many students see video. So such type of app is called educational app. Here the example some educational app. Educational app, online study platform, Google Classroom, edX, Khaatu, Kahoot, Coursera, and Baidu learning apps, Menti.com. Now there are so many educational apps. Here are some examples. Like now at present time Vedantu and Baiju's now time of famous. These are the learning apps. Social networking app. We can do many activities on social media apps. Some are as follows. First, post image, video, another update to your profile, which can be shared with anyone. Means through on social networking you can send post image, video, other updates and share with anyone. Next point, we can connect with anyone across global very easily. Means you can connect your screen, send your share your photo, not only see your state, but all over India, all over world, globally. Third point, we can attend webinar. We attend webinars like online seminar. So these are the social networking, just like a Facebook, WhatsApp. Most popular networking social networking apps WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter. Now present time. WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter. Instant messaging app, Facebook, social networking app, Twitter, social networking app. WhatsApp, high quality voice calling as well as video calling. A registered user can create profile event in Twitter. A registered user can create profile. Next, simple interface with useful features like sending files, record audio, etc. On WhatsApp, users can post, comment, share, like image, video, etc. On Facebook, users can send tweets with 280 characters to anyone who follow you. One-to-many means through WhatsApp, one-to-many communication, instant chatting, and Twitter. You can follow to any person easily and get latest update through Twitter. And after that, entertainment app. Some apps are free to use and some charge fee for their premium services. Means some apps are too free to use and some charge a fee for premium services like a hotspot use, Hotstar, Voot, like the example here given. Hotstar to watch movie, TV, serials and sports. You see free of course also, and when you are take a premium 360 rupees for a year, then you can access the premium services. Gaana, Hangama and other apps to listen favorite tunes, record, edit our voice, music, book my show, book ticket for movie and other event, favorite multiplex. So these are entertainment app. The e-commerce. Meaning of e-commerce, it means commercial activities over internet. Meaning of e-commerce means common commercial activity over the internet. Through e-commerce you can purchase anything. Full form of e-commerce, electronic commerce. Definition: buying or selling of goods or services using electronic means is called e-commerce. E-commerce means buying or selling of goods or services using electronics means is called e-commerce. Online shopping, the process of online shopping over the internet called online shopping. Means you can purchase through internet, it's called online shopping. Examples: Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, ShopClues, Mantra. There are so many apps which provide e-commerce facility. Now present time, Flipkart, Amazon and Snapdeal are most popular e-commerce apps, and now so many people purchase through these three apps: Amazon, Flipkart and Snapdeal. Next one, the banking and finance app. Example: banking and finance means through banking finance you can transfer money, for amount transfer to other person. You send through Google Pay, Phone Pay, Bhim UPI. So all these apps considered as the banking and finance. Examples here: the Paytm, Buddy from SBI, Pocket from ICICI Bank. These are the apps of a bank, like SBI provide Buddy and ICICI Bank provide Pocket. Through this you can easily transfer, send money from one account to another account. Money control apps. It gives latest information about global and Indian stock market. Means this money control apps provide the information about global and Indian stock market. Means stock market you find through this app stock market information day to day. These apps covers BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, NSE, National Stock Exchange, mutual funds, commodity and currency markets. Means what is the price of US dollar according to the Indian rupees. Means $1 is near about 64 or 65 rupees, and time to time, day to day, $1's value is change. So you can easy way to monitor through this app. Work like a portfolio tracker in which one can keep in touch with swing of market and take suitable timely decision. Means through this, when you are watch daily update, then you can take a suitable and timely decision. So these are the banking and finance related app. Some icons of apps here like Facebook, Google Docs, MS PowerPoint, Player, Kahoot, Badjuj. There are so many of the some icons of apps which are used now present time Google Classroom. So this is the common apps which are used in your daily life. Hopefully you all students understands all these contents of this video. If you face any problem, call me my number 88401617. Thank you.